Welcome to AIVoyage, the place where we embark on exciting journeys to explore the mysteries of science and technology. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of hair growth and loss, discovering the principles behind it and exploring ways to prevent and treat it. Hair is an important part of our physical appearance, and it can greatly affect our self-esteem and confidence. It is therefore essential to understand the principles of hair growth and loss and the ways to prevent and treat it. This video will provide an overview of the principles of hair growth, the factors that can lead to hair loss, and the prevention and future ways to replace it. Principles of hair growth. Hair growth occurs in three stages: anagen, catagen, and telogen. During the anagen phase, hair grows actively, and the follicle is attached to the dermal papilla. The catagen phase follows the anagen phase and lasts for 2 to 3 weeks. The telogen phase is the resting phase, and lasts for about 3 months, during which the hair follicle is inactive and old hair falls out, paving the way for new hair to grow. Factors that can lead to hair loss. Hair loss can be caused by a variety of factors such as genetics, hormones, age, medication, stress, and nutritional deficiencies. Androgenetic alopecia is a common type of hair loss that affects both men and women and is caused by the hormone DHT. This causes the hair follicles to shrink, leading to hair thinning and loss. Telogen effluvium is another common cause of hair loss, which occurs when there is an imbalance in the hair growth cycle. Prevention of hair loss. Preventing hair loss involves a combination of lifestyle changes and medical treatments. Some of the lifestyle changes that can help prevent hair loss include eating a healthy and balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals such as iron, zinc, and biotin. Avoiding tight hairstyles that can pull on the hair, such as braids and ponytails. Reducing stress through relaxation techniques such as meditation and yoga. Avoiding harsh hair treatments such as chemical relaxers and hair dyes. Using gentle hair care products and avoiding heat styling tools. Medical treatments for hair loss include topical treatments such as minoxidil, which is applied directly to the scalp to stimulate hair growth. Oral medications such as finasteride, which can block DHT and prevent further hair loss. Hair transplant surgery, which involves transplanting healthy hair follicles from one area of the scalp to another. Low-level laser therapy, which uses light energy to stimulate hair growth. Future ways to replace hair. Research is ongoing to find new and innovative ways to replace hair. Some of the potential future treatments for hair loss include stem cell therapy, which involves using stem cells to regenerate hair follicles. Platelet-rich plasma PRP therapy, which uses the patient's own blood to promote hair growth. Gene therapy, which involves introducing genes into the hair follicles to stimulate hair growth. 3D bioprinting, which involves using a 3D printer to create hair follicles that can be transplanted onto the scalp. In conclusion, hair loss can be prevented and treated with a combination of lifestyle changes and medical treatments. Eating a healthy diet, avoiding harsh hair treatments, and reducing stress can help prevent hair loss. Medical treatments such as topical treatments, oral medications, and hair transplant surgery can be effective in treating hair loss. Ongoing research in the field of hair restoration offers promising future treatments such as stem cell therapy, PRP therapy, gene therapy, and 3D bioprinting. By staying informed about the latest advancements in hair restoration, individuals can be proactive in preventing and treating hair loss, ultimately leading to a healthier and more confident life. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed learning about the science of hair growth and loss, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest videos. Until our next voyage, keep exploring.